How to create amazing AI art with just a few keywords. In this video you will learn how to create incredible AI generated art with just a few prompts. First, you will need to download Discord at discord.com and join the Midjourney server using this link, discord.gg/Midjourney. Go to the newbie channel and type /Imagen, followed by keywords that describe what you want your artwork to look like. For example, I have default with magical powers. Next, give the AI some instructions to make the result realistic and detailed. Alright, I've chosen some random words, awesome right? The AI will generate 4 images for you to choose from. Use the emojis below the images to upscale or mark the first you like. You can generate up to 25 images for free or pay $10 a month for 100 images. If you want a full resolution picture, use the U emoji and use the V emoji to get more versions of that AI. And the bot will send it to you. Creating stunning AI art has never been easier. So try it out today and see what beautiful pieces you can create with just a few keywords. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.